Hi Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Welcome po sa ating channel at ito ang inyong Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for October 9, 2023. Please be reminded that this is general reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating Daily Gabay Tarot Reading. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Para po sa gusto magpa-reading, maaari nyo pong makuha ang link. Nasa description box po ito. Message nyo lang po ako sa messenger. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guides, ano po ang ganap today? Para po kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong October 9, 2023. Wow. Success, happiness, you felt warm, but you are worried. Nagkaroon kayo ng weakness dito and insecurity sa inyong sarili, sa isang bagay o sa isang tao. Nagkaroon kayo ng, but the end of the day, nagkaroon kayo ng good luck, joy, and prosperity. So meaning money. May matatanggap kayo na tulong or money. Advice po, Spirit Guides. Advice nyo po para kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong October 9, 2023. Allow yourself to receive. This will increase your intuition, energy, and ability to give to others. Easy does it. There is no need to hurry or force things happens. There is no need to hurry or force things to happen. Everything is occurring in perfect timing. Spirit guys, ano po ang energy today ngayong October 9, 2023 ngayong ni Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? You are decided to heal yourself from suffering, from your emotion na sadness. Ayun. You are decided to heal yourself. May posibleng ma-atake sa iyo bagamat ikaw ay handa. Posible ring may hamong parating kagaya ng pag-antala ng mga bagay o di kaya naman ay pagkakasakit. Nakaramdam ka ng pagod at handa ka ng sumuko, ngunit malapit ka na. Move forward, tapusin mo ang mga nagaantay na gawain. So make yourself busy habang inaantay mo yung nagkaroon ng delay. Let's see your career and money para po kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong October 9, 2023, Spirit Guides. This is emotional stability. Nagkaroon kayo ng empathy sa kapwa nyo. You are moving into a relationship role sa work or nakita nilang magaling ka na leader. Stable ka na sa napiling career mo at financial stable ka na. Sa araw na ito, ayaw mong i-celebrate yung tagumpay mo. Hindi ka masaya. This card asks you to find joy that exists right now. This card asks you to find joy that exists right now. Celebrate yourself in some small way to increase the flow of positive opportunities into your life. You deserve to celebrate your success. Spirit guides, ano po ang love and romance? Self-love, partnership, romance, para po kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon po dito ng delayed. So, this is the confirmation na may delayed na ganap. So, make yourself busy talaga na habang inaantay itong abundance na ito, make yourself busy para ma-enjoy mo yung present mo. Kasi nagkaroon dito ng delayed Delayed ng pagdating sa isang kaperahan, sa isang tao, sa isang opportunity. May dumating na opportunity na hindi mo napansin, hindi mo ito nakita dahil you're trying too hard or nasa wrong direction ka. The universe asking you to loosen grip and relax, mag-reconnect ka, at mag-ask ng divine assistance. Nagkaroon talaga ng delay dito or ingatan ang inyong kaparahan. Ang inyong ipon with your partner. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng fear of change, nagkaroon ng apathy, nagkaroon ng hesitation, unwise decision, nagkaroon ng hesitations to step out from your comfort zone. May tampo ka sa inyong partner pero nag-hesitate ka na kausapin siya. Some of you are taking move na kausapin na siya or mag-move forward na mag-move on na hindi mo pa siya nakausap. Some of you may solid plan na kayong mag-partner or sa mga single dyan na making time of yourselves, may solid plan na kayong mag-travel pero hindi nyo ginawa dahil sa sobrang busy nyo sa inyong trabaho. Hidden truth, anong iniisip mo, anong iniisip niya para po kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong iniisip mo, anong iniisip niya ngayong October 9, 2023 para po sa mga single. It was my fault but I blamed you. Sa mga may relasyon, you and I were too young. Self-love po. Love advice para sa mga single. Make an altar. Make a space for your altar. Love advice po para sa mga couple natin. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn sa araw na ito, October 9, 2023. Remarkable. Notice everything remarkable about your relationship. Love advice po. Kabuang love advice. Para po kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Kabo ang advice nyo po para kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong October 9, 2023, Spirit Guides. Your commitment is being tested. Angels advice, Archangels advice, Guardian Angels advice, Spirit Guides. All is well. Message from Archangel Jeremiel. Everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. That is your reading today. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.